In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to connect Trello to Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link to your Trello board right inside your Notion workspace, so you can jump between tools without losing focus. First, open your Trello board. Head to the specific board you want to access from Notion. This could be your project tracker, content calendar, or any board you update often. Make sure you're looking at the board itself, not just the workspace homepage, so you capture the correct address. Next, copy the board URL from your browser. Click once in the address bar and copy it. You can use the keyboard shortcut or right-click and choose Copy. This URL is the direct path that Notion will use to send you straight back to this exact board, so grabbing it from the address bar is the most reliable way. Now, open your Notion page. Navigate to the page where you want the Trello link to live, maybe your team's hub, a project brief, or a personal dashboard. Place your cursor exactly where you want the link to appear. Keeping links close to related content makes them easier to find and use. Type /link and select Paste Link. The / command brings up Notion's quick actions. When you see the option called Paste Link, click it. This tells Notion you're about to drop in a URL and want it formatted as a clean link rather than plain text. Paste the Trello URL you copied earlier, then press Enter. You can paste using your usual keyboard shortcut and hit Enter to confirm. Notion will convert that URL into a tidy hyperlink. Depending on your workspace settings, it may display as a simple link or show a small preview, but either way it's ready to go. Your Trello board link will now appear on the page. Click it any time to open Trello. It will launch in your default browser and take you straight to the board you selected. If you're using the Notion desktop app, the link still opens in your browser, which keeps things consistent across devices. It's a good idea to test the link once to make sure it points exactly where you expect. And that's how to connect Trello to Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.